Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're going to talk about the best styrofoam for flower arrangements, the Prashent 3PC's floral foam blocks. If you're looking to elevate your flower arrangements, whether for fresh or artificial flowers, this floral foam is an absolute game changer. Each pack contains 3 blocks, each measuring 5.5 inches in length, 3.1 inches in width, and 1.7 inches in height. These blocks are the perfect size for a wide range of floral designs, from wedding centerpieces to beautiful bouquets and even funeral arrangements. What's fantastic about this foam is its versatility. You can use it both wet and dry. When wet, it helps keep your fresh flowers hydrated, ensuring they last longer and maintain their beauty. On the other hand, the dry foam is ideal for artificial flowers or any craft projects where you need a sturdy base. One of the best features of these floral foam blocks is how easy they're to use. Just soak the wet foam in water, cut it to the desired size, and then start arranging your flowers. The foam is water absorbent, which helps in keeping the flowers in place and prevents wilting, so your arrangement stays fresh for a longer time. Plus, the foam is soft enough for easy insertion of stems, but firm enough to hold them in place securely. Another big plus is that these blocks are completely customizable. You can cut them into any shape you need, whether that's heart shapes, cones, or even spherical forms. The possibilities are endless, especially for DIYers and florists alike. And if you're a beginner in floral arrangements, this foam is beginner-friendly and forgiving, making it perfect for those just starting out with crafting and floral designs. The foam also blends well with the natural colors of floral stems and moss, making it a great choice for natural-looking arrangements. Whether you're preparing for a wedding, creating a stunning centerpiece, or even designing a special bouquet for a baby shower, these floral foam blocks will meet your needs perfectly. This foam is not only practical, but it's also incredibly affordable, especially considering the quality and the results it helps you achieve in your flower arrangements. It's the perfect tool for both professionals and hobbyists. So, if you're looking for a reliable, high-quality floral foam that will elevate your arrangements, the Prashent 3PC's floral foam blocks are definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more reviews like this, and leave a comment if you've used this foam before or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next video.